Hello, welcome back to Nicole Chinese Mandarin. If this is your first time here, I'm Nicole. This channel is dedicated to help you learn Chinese easier and quicker. So if you're a Chinese learner, then this is for you. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you will never miss a future Chinese learning video. Okay, let's get into today's video. Today is about Lesson 4 of HSK 2. We will learn two important content today. The first one, 送, deliver, or send, or give somebody something as a gift. The second one is an important structure, 是的, to emphasize something you want to emphasize. This is really easy to confuse with the word the we learned last time.
Lesson 4, Text 1.
生日快乐，这是送给你的。
是什么？是一本书吗？
对，这本书是我写的。
太谢谢你了。
生日快乐，这是送给你的。是什么？是一本书吗？对，这本书是我写的。太谢谢你了。生日快乐，这是送给你的。是什么？是一本书吗？对，这本书是我写的。太谢谢你了。The first one, 生日快乐 Happy birthday, 生日 birthday 生 birth 日 the formal way to say day. So 生日 together is birthday, born day. 快乐 In Chinese, we have a lot of ways to say happy. You can check out this video to figure out more. 这是送给你的。送 and 给 together. 给 we learned before is give. 送给送 give someone something as a gift. We also learned another song in lesson 3. 送报纸的，送牛奶的。This song has a meaning of deliver. Deliver something to someone. And today's song is 送给 someone. And you also can say 送礼物 directly. 礼物 gift. 是什么？是一本书吗？In this sentence, also omit the subject. 这是什么？ This is what? This is a book. So this one, the subject is not that important, and also the subject already mentioned on last sentence, so we don't have to repeat. 一本书 measure word for 书 for of the book, magazine, or notebooks, we can say 本一本书。这本书是我写的。This is the structure 是的。是的 structure normally be used to emphasize a part of the sentence you want to emphasize. For example, in this one, 这本书是我写的。Written by me. But if you want to emphasize another part, also it works. 这本书是买的。这本书是在伦敦买的。这本书是我妈妈买的。You emphasize different elements in your sentence. These parts can be the time, place, object, purpose, and so on. More examples. 这本书是关于时间管理的。 这本书是破的。这本书是意大利语的。Okay, this is all of today's video. If you like this video, make sure give me a thumb up. This is really important for me. I will see you on next video of Dialogue 2, Lesson 4.